Welcome to another Inspirial tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll quickly cover how to use closed captions in Camtasia 2024. Before we start our tutorial, here are 4 important facts about closed captions you might want to consider. According to AI, 80% of consumers are more likely to watch an entire video when captions are available. Captions enhance engagement, making viewers more likely to complete videos, even if sound isn't an option. 85% of Facebook videos are watched without sound. I would like to repeat that. 85% of Facebook videos are watched without sound. Many users watch videos in an environment where audio is either unavailable or undesirable, making captions essential for conveying information. The number of hearing impaired people globally is around 466 million. Closed captions make content accessible to a large population, providing an inclusive viewing experience. Viewers are 40% more likely to subscribe to a channel that offers closed captions. Offering captions improves viewer satisfaction, leading to higher subscriber rates and viewer loyalty. These statistics emphasize the vital role of captions in enhancing accessibility, comprehension, and engagement. What I will show you will work with imported videos or videos created in Camtasia. With your Camtasia open, we have a previous tutorial project called What is an Infographic? On the left, select the Captions tab and go to the top to CC Closed Captions. Select the gear in the corner and select Speech to Text. You might have a window open with a choice of entire timeline or selected media, and that would pop up here. We will check on the entire timeline if that window popped up. This will start the transcription process. When the transcription is complete, closed captions appears on our timeline down here and also on the left. And when we click on any of the closed caption on the left or the timeline, it also appears in our window or canvas. Now let's say we want to edit this transcription, say it's not perfect. All we have to do is select the part of the transcription that we want to change. For example, up near the top here, which is the same down on the timeline, we click on that, and what that allows us to do is to come over here and change anything within the text line. What we're going to do is, it says, so what exactly is an infographic? Simply put, we're going to delete the simply put for the time being. So we select that. We hit delete, and we'll back up one more. And now we've made our corrections, and you see it's corrected up here on the left, and it'll also be corrected in our timeline itself. The other thing to look at are some tools that we have available below our editing area. We have over on the right a gear which allows us to split current caption, so we can actually split it. We can merge with a previous caption. For example, we want to merge this caption and this caption together, we could do so. We can merge with the next caption ahead of it. We can extend the duration or shorten the duration. We can come over here, we have the duration choice again. Currently we're at 6.1 seconds. We can also replay by clicking on the circular arrow, and we see it right down here, the particular caption. It'll keep playing it over and over again. And by the way, if you have a headset on, you'd be able to hear this. We can also move to the next caption, or we can move back to the previous caption that we were on. If we move over to the left, we also have an A here, and the A stands for text style, which gives us a type if we want to bold it or not bold it, italicize or not. The type of text, Arial, the size, 128. So all these things can be changed. When done, click on any area to close the text editor window. Now, when you're ready to export your video, move up to the right to export. If you're exporting to a screencast or a YouTube video, there's really no other steps to take. The export will include these closed captions. However, if you're saving a standalone file, video file, let's say a local file right here, you'll need to export the closed captions in their own file. To do this, move over to the left and select the gear icon. Let me repeat that really quick. So if I were to click on this local file right now, it would not export these closed captions. We have one other step. And what we're going to do is move over here to the gear icon. Select Export Captions. And now a window comes up that shows us where we can put that caption. I already did it once before, so this is what it looks like. I would suggest that you save it in or save the captions in the same folder as your final video. When you're ready to upload your video to YouTube or some other destination, you'll be asked to download that SRT file, the one you just saw. If you're exporting to your local computer, click on the Export Local File. Come down here where it says Export Local File, come down to Advanced Settings. That's right here. It might be closed. Open it up. Go over to Captions. And make sure that Render Video with Open, Always Visible Captions is unchecked. If you check it, what will happen is your captions will be burned into your video and the person watching your video will be unable to click the captions on and off. They'll always be on. So that's all you need to know on running the regular closed captions. This is the end of our tutorial. If you'd like to buy Camtasia, please use our affiliate link in the summary below. You also might like to look at our video concerning dynamic captions. There is a menu in the summary of the dynamic captions video that goes directly to the part that you might be interested in. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day.